What's the creepiest fact about the human body, you know? Here's a fun fact that really made me look at my body differently. Your body produces enough saliva every day to fill up a swimming pool. On average, humans produce about 1 to 2 quarts of saliva daily. It's crucial for breaking down food, keeping your mouth moist, and even protecting your teeth from decay. We rarely think about it, but saliva is doing a lot of behind-the-scenes work to keep our mouths clean. I recently found out that you're basically a walking ecosystem. The human body is home to trillions of bacteria, and in fact, there are more bacterial cells in your body than human cells. It's estimated that for every human cell, there are about 1.3 bacterial cells living inside or on you. These bacteria help with digestion, immunity, and even mental health, so you're never truly alone. Your body is a tiny world of microbes. Here's something that really surprised me. Your body has about 100,000 miles of blood vessels. If you were to lay them out end to end, they would wrap around the Earth more than 4 times. These blood vessels are essential for carrying nutrients, oxygen, and waste throughout your body. It's insane to think about how much work is happening beneath the surface. Ever wondered how long your bones last? Well, in fact, your skeleton is completely replaced every 10 years. The process of bone remodeling constantly breaks down and rebuilds your bones. This is why our bones stay strong and can even recover from injuries over time. It's amazing to think that your body is continually regenerating such a vital part of your structure. I never knew this, but apparently the human eye can distinguish about 10 million colors. That's more than we realize. The sensitivity of our eyes to different wavelengths of light allows us to see an amazing array of colors, helping us navigate the world in vivid detail. The next time you see a rainbow, just know your eyes are doing some serious work to give you all that color. It's pretty wild to think that your body could survive for weeks without food, but only 3 to 5 days without water. Water makes up about 60% of your body, and it's essential for virtually every bodily function. From keeping your organs running to regulating your temperature, water is the unsung hero of your survival, and without it, nothing else would work. You've probably heard that the heart is a tireless worker, but did you know it beats over 100,000 times every single day? That's more than 35 million beats every year. It's incredible how this one organ can keep pumping blood non-stop throughout your life, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every cell in your body. Talk about stamina. Here's a mind-blowing fact. Your body's muscles are strong enough to lift some seriously heavy things. For example, your jaw muscle, the masseter, can exert a force of around 200 pounds. That's enough to bite through tough food, but it's also a great example of how even small muscles can be incredibly powerful in the human body. I was shocked to learn that every minute your body sheds 30,000 to 40,000 skin cells. That adds up to nearly 9 pounds of skin cells a year. The constant shedding and renewal of skin is part of what keeps us protected from germs and injury. Your skin is truly working overtime to maintain a healthy barrier between your insides and the outside world. It's hard to believe, but the human body contains enough iron to make a small nail. While it's just around 3 to 4 grams of iron, it's essential for carrying oxygen through your blood. This tiny amount of metal does so much for your health, proving that even the smallest elements in our bodies can have a massive impact on how we function. Here's something that's just plain mind-blowing. Your lungs are capable of exchanging about 10,000 liters of air every single day. That's a lot of oxygen. This constant exchange helps keep your blood oxygenated, which is crucial for every cell in your body. It's amazing to think that your lungs are working 24/7 to keep you breathing, even when you're not consciously aware of it. You know how we're always told to take care of our teeth? Well, did you know that your teeth are the hardest substances in your body? In fact, tooth enamel is even harder than bone. Your teeth are designed to last a lifetime, and while they don't regenerate like bones, they're incredibly resilient. That's why it's so important to protect them, because they're built to last. Here's something that might sound a bit gross, but it's actually pretty amazing. Your body has about 1 to 2 quarts of mucus in it at any given time. This mucus plays a crucial role in protecting your organs by trapping dust, bacteria, and other harmful particles. It keeps your digestive system and lungs functioning properly by acting as a barrier against potential threats. Your body is full of these little defenses, working non-stop to keep you safe. This one really caught me off guard. Your brain generates enough electricity to power a small light bulb. During the day, your brain produces about 20 watts of electrical power, which is how it sends signals throughout your nervous system. It's crazy to think that this organ, which weighs just a few pounds, is essentially an electrical powerhouse. I recently learned that humans glow in the dark, but we can't see it. Our bodies emit a very faint bioluminescence due to metabolic reactions in our cells. This light is 1,000 times weaker than what our eyes can detect, so we never notice it. It's wild to think that we're walking nightlights on an imperceptible scale. Did you know that your body's largest organ is your skin? It's not just a protective covering, it's also a major player in temperature regulation and immune defense. The average adult skin weighs about 8 to 10 pounds and covers around 22 square feet. It's amazing how this organ works silently to protect us and keep us healthy. Here's something bizarre. Your ears and nose never stop growing. Unlike most of your body, which stops growing after adolescence, the cartilage in your ears and nose continues to grow throughout your life. That's why older people often have larger noses and ears. It's not your imagination, it's biology. I just found out that humans are the best long-distance runners in the animal kingdom. Sure, we're not as fast as cheetahs, but we can outrun most animals over long distances. This is thanks to our unique ability to sweat, which keeps us cool during extended physical activity. Ancient humans even hunted by chasing animals until they collapsed from exhaustion. Here's a weird but true fact. Your body's strongest muscle, based on weight, is your tongue. It's not just for tasting food, it helps us speak, swallow, and even express emotions. Considering how much work it does every single day, it's no surprise that this small muscle packs such a punch. One thing that blew my mind is how much oxygen your brain uses. Even though the brain only makes up about 2% of your body weight, it consumes 20% of the oxygen you breathe. That's a fifth of your body's total oxygen, just to keep your thoughts, emotions, and bodily functions running smoothly. Here's a creepy but cool fact. Your body is designed to self-clean your eyes while you sleep. That's what eye boogers, or rheum, are, a mix of mucus, oils, and dead skin cells that collect overnight. It's basically your eyes cleaning themselves while you rest, ensuring they're ready for another day of seeing the world. Ever heard of this? Your liver is the only organ in your body that can regenerate itself completely. Even if up to 75% of your liver is removed, the remaining portion can regrow to its original size in just a few months. This ability is why liver transplants can often involve living donors who donate part of their liver to someone in need. This one is just incredible. Your body replaces around 98% of its atoms every year. The atoms in your body's cells are constantly being swapped out for new ones through eating, drinking, and breathing. In a way, you're never the exact same person you were a year ago. Your body is in a constant state of renewal. Here's something unexpected. The acid in your stomach is so strong it can dissolve metal. Stomach acid, or hydrochloric acid, has a pH of about 1 to 2, making it incredibly potent. Thankfully, the lining of your stomach regenerates itself frequently to protect you from its corrosive effects. It's mind-blowing to think about the strength of what's inside us. I just found out that your blood vessels can adapt and grow based on your activity. This process, called angiogenesis, is how new blood vessels form to improve blood flow. For example, if you start exercising regularly, your body will create new pathways to get oxygen to your muscles more efficiently. Your body literally upgrades itself to keep up with your habits. Here's a fun fact about your brain. It processes information at a speed faster than any computer. Nerve impulses in your brain travel at around 250 miles per hour. That's how you can think, react, and make decisions almost instantly. It's like having a supercomputer tucked inside your skull, running 24/7. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed these mind-blowing facts about the human body, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss out on more fascinating content. Feel free to share your favorite fact in the comments below. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.